Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to see Story Archive on Facebook. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to proceed to open up your Facebook app. Basically, how this works is when you add a story on Facebook and it has expired. You can come back again and view the story only if this feature is enabled. So in this video, I will be teaching you just that. Okay, what you have to do now that you are in Facebook is head on to your menu. It can be on the top right or the bottom right depending on what device you are using, if it is an Apple or an Android. Now, what we have to do is to look for the activity log. So, you want to head on to your settings and privacy right here, and then press settings once more. In here, you will have to look for your activity. And scroll down until you find your activity log. Okay, now that you are in your activity log, what you are going to do from here is to press archive. Now, as you can see, you have an option that says Story Archive. What you want to do right now is to press that option. And now, you can now view all of the stories that you have posted before. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now see Story Archive on Facebook. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.